Scratch. So this project is simple, and I'll show you a preview right now. So this is the stop button, and this is the go button to start the project. Okay, after you click the go button, these are your two sprites, and the wand is your third. And what it would do is when you click the shrink button, it would shrink. Grow button would increase the size. Toad turns them both into frogs. Untoad makes them back here. You click the stop button, start again. That's how it works. So this is where you can find the background, the backdrop, and then this is where you find the sprite. This is fairy, crab, and this is the wand. As you can see here, this is the wand. Now what you would do here is you would group them together first. This is crucial. You group it and then you set the wand right here. So in the project, it would follow your cursor, and you can make it like you can rotate it so it looks diagonal, just like how it looks right here. And the fairy has two costumes, which lets it switch to what they are. So fairy, and this is a toad. Same thing for the crab, crab and toad, crab toad. Now we'll go over the code. So this we'll go over the fairy's code first. So when the go button is clicked, it sets the size to 100%, meaning it goes to the default size of what it should be. And then you would set the size to 100, I mean, yeah, 100%. And then as you can see here, it goes down by 10 when you click shrink. And when you click grow, it changes size by 10. So it goes up by 10. You can see here it has the negative button, which lets it decrease. And this doesn't have any, so it makes it go positive, so it increases it. And when I receive shrink, which is the shrink button, when the sprite's clicked, broadcast shrink. And that's exactly what it does here. And same thing for grow one, same code. Untoad, same code, broadcast untoad. And when it's click broadcast toad. It's just these new messages. You would find them in the event section. Now, when you go back to here, you can see switch costume fairy A, switch costume fairy toad. This is so toad, untoad. Untoad turns here, toad. Shrink goes down by 10, grow goes up by 10. That's because the costume here, fairy A, fairy toad, fairy A, fairy toad. Now, this is the second sprite. It's the exact same code as as the fairy code, as you can see. And right here, the costumes is the only difference. Crab A, crab toad. And now you can put any costume you want. So you would go to sprite, you would pick anything you want, and then you would have your crab, place it over your cursor, and you can add anything you want. As this is what I did. Now this used to be a normal toad, but I changed it because I added my own stuff. As you can see, it's the same thing. You change the color. That's what you do for this one. The code is the exact same. Now, the last part, what you have to do is the sound. As you can hear it, you can hear all that sound. That's because of this. When I receive Toad, so same thing. That means when you click on Toad, the button, you play the sound. And you go to the sound section, it's this shrink, grow, Toad, untoad. Now these two are the same and these two are the same. They're just reversed. So what you would do, this would be the frog section. You would change it to toad, reverse it. You can do that. That's how you change the name. So then you can find it over here. See, shrink, grow, toad, untoad. That's how it works. And that is all. Thank you.